Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial, I will guide you how you can deactivate your Messenger account. For that, you'll need to open the Messenger app and then make sure you have logged in into the account you want to deactivate that. Once you open the Messenger app, you will be guided to this page, and on the top left corner you can see the three line icon. Just tap into it, and then on the top right corner you can see the setting icon. Just tap into it, and then you'll be guided to this page. Scroll down and you will see the see more in account center option on the bottom of the screen. Tap into it, and then you'll be guided to this page where you'll need to scroll down. You'll need to tap into personal details option. You can see that you'll be guided to this personal details page where on the button you can see the account ownership and control option. Just tap into it and tap into deactivation or deletion option. You'll need to choose particular account Facebook. After that, you'll need to tap into deactivate account option and tap into continue. You'll need to re-enter your password, and then after that you'll need to tap into continue, and then your account will be easily deactivate. So this was it guys. If you like this video, then don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe it for more tutorial videos. Thank you.